Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you go live on Bingo Live or Bigo Live. So to go live on Bigo Live, you need to follow these steps. First of all, make sure that you have an account and make sure that you've already installed the app as well. Now then, you have to first of all begin with the registration, or you want to make sure to sign into your Bigo account. Once you're logged in, you simply want to go ahead and look for these sort of options, right? This is going to be the home page. Now, if you want to go live, all you have to do is just press on this blue icon right in center at the bottom of the page. Now, you have to make sure to go ahead and enable the permissions. So go ahead and make sure to use it. So now you want to click on go live, all right? So now it's going to show you the timer. So now I've actually gone live. So as you could see, this is how I go live on Bigo Live. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.